So guys, I ordered this peach drink that is inspired by Chi from Chobits. And I'm not sure what the relationship is with the peach, but I know there's a character named Sumomo, and Momo means peach, or maybe it alludes to the playful nature of the series.
You want some help?
No, I'm fine.
Don't be embarrassed. Hey, the door's unlocked.
Ah! I forgot to lock the door. I've got to hide her somewhere. Nice.
What's wrong? Your nose is bleeding.
I'm fine, really.
Hey everyone! So as you may have seen, I just went to Animate Cafe, and the event that they are having at that cafe right now is the celebration of the 30th anniversary of Clamp. So they have food and items inspired by their different works like XXXholic, Chobits, Tsubasa Chronicles, and Cardcaptor Sakura. So I tried out their food and saw the different merchandise that they have. So one of the merch items that I was able to get as a souvenir is this one. So this is a Mokona drawstring pouch, and this is what it looks like from the front. This is what it looks like from the back. So inside this pouch, you actually have some more items. So inside the pouch, there are actually two charms included, and these are both the Mokona Modokis. So we have the white Mokona and then the black Mokona. So if you follow the story of Tsubasa Chronicles, the white Mokona is with the one traveling with Sakura and Shaoran's group, and then the black Mokona is the one staying with Yuko.
来たわね。
はい。
この子はモコナモドキ。あなたたちを異世界に導くものよ。
おい、もう一匹いるならそっちもよこせ。
そっちは通信専用よ。
So besides these two charms, you also have 4 pieces of candy inside, 2 strawberry flavored ones, and 2 cider ones. So if you've seen the pictures and videos that I got from the Anime Cafe, you can see that there are a lot of other collectible merch items that you can get when you visit the Clamp 30th Anniversary Cafe. So speaking of Clamp and one of their famous works, which is Cardcaptor Sakura, recently the convenience store Lawson also had a collaboration campaign with them. So one of the items that you can get in Lawson for their collaboration campaign are these original clear files. So I got the designs with Yukito and the one with Toya. So there are a total of 5 designs in all. So besides these two, you also have Tomoyo, Shaoran, and of course Sakura. So you can get these clear files by purchasing specific items at Lawson, and for every 2 items, you get 1 clear file. So another item that you can get at Lawson are these marshmallows with chocolate filling. So each box of marshmallows comes with 1 special sticker, and there are 3 sticker designs. And as you can see, I still haven't opened this box, so I'm excited to see what sticker is inside. So let's open it up, guys. And I got... Oh wow, I got Toya and Yukito. It's so amazing because I was actually hoping for this specific sticker. So the other 2 designs are the ones with Sakura and Tomoyo, and the other one is Sakura and Shaoran. But I really wanted to have this specific sticker design because again, it matches the design of the clear files that I have. And also, if you didn't know, Toya and Yukito are actually called a soul pair. So soul pairs are characters that are always seen together in the Clamp universe. So I'm really happy that I got this sticker. And since we opened that box, let's try out one of the marshmallows. Really soft. And I like the chocolate filling inside. So the last item that you can get from the collaboration campaign of Lawson are these drink tumblers. So there are actually 6 designs and I got 2 of them. So these are Toya and Yukito again. And the other one is Shaoran and Sakura. As I mentioned, Toya and Yukito are a soul pair. And most definitely, Sakura and Shaoran are also a soul pair. Not only in Cardcaptor Sakura, but also in their other work, which is Tsubasa Chronicles. And again, Tsubasa Chronicles is one of Clamp's works which kind of brings all the characters from all other works of Clamp into one story. So even in that universe, definitely Sakura and Shaoran are a soul pair. Also, these are actually reusable tumblers because inside of this, there's actually a peach mixed drink. So this peach mixed drink has the design of Sakura and Kiro. So let's try out the peach mixed drink. Tasty, peachy and fruity, so refreshing. And that's it for today's vlog. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want more content in regards to cafes here in Japan, anime, or even convenience store finds, I posted some links down below in the description box as well as links all throughout this video. Once again, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!